This is the latest driveway installation done by Gappsi for this residence in Smithtown, New York. We utilize the Belgian Paver. It's a 4x8 split face and tumbled limestone. Variations of colors of black, grays, and silvers, all natural. We utilize the stone for the apron and the borders of the driveway. The center fill of the driveway, we utilized 6x12s, 3 cm thick porcelain pavers. This resembles the color of porphyry stone, which is our hard granite. But these are manufactured porcelain, 3 cm thick, suitable for vehicular areas. Is a very durable material and very strong. They are 1.25 inches thick, and you can drive over with the car. The base of the driveway, we used 10 inches of oversized gravel. We tap coated with a finer gravel and then installed the porcelain over 2 inches of a dry pack mix, which is a combination of sand and cement leveled in a dry form. Then the pavers get installed over it, and the joints were filled with polymetric sand. This is the latest Gappsi porcelain pavers installation for a driveway.